Hi, welcome back. This will be the final clip of the Photoshop video editing tutorial. In this clip, we'll add audio to our video project and learn different ways to export our video, which include either an image sequence or a video file. Let's keep using the same project and scroll to the bottom of the timeline window. Here, we'll see an audio track. To import audio into the project, go to the Options menu and select Add Audio. Photoshop allows for importing popular audio formats such as MP3, WAV, or AIFF. Find the file called ambience.wav in your demo folder and click Open. Now there'll be a new green layer here, signifying your audio track. Here, you can make it louder or softer or mute it altogether. You can also choose the duration of the fade in or out. I'll add a 2-second fade in and press enter. And if we play the video now, we can hear the audio track fade in. Okay, now that we've added audio and put the finishing touches on our video project, it's time to export. Make sure to move the brackets in the timeline window to encompass only the part of your timeline you want to export. Next, go to File, Export, Render Video. There are two ways we can export. One is as an image sequence, and one is as a video. First, we'll do an image sequence. Here at the top, let's choose the name of our file. I'll call it John Doe Interview. Next, I'll select and make a new folder for it on my desktop to be saved into. Now here in the drop-down menu, I'm going to select Photoshop Image Sequence. And we have a few different options. PNG and TIFF will preserve an alpha channel or transparencies I might have. Since we don't have any in this video, I'm going to choose JPEG. JPEG does not preserve this kind of information into its images. If we did have an alpha channel, I'd use PNG and make sure the alpha channel is turned on, here at the bottom of the window, and select Straight Unmatted. Okay, now I'm going to choose JPEG and make sure my document size and frame rate is correct. Looks right to me, so now I'll click Render. Once complete, if I navigate to the folder I created, an image sequence of my entire video will be present. Obviously, the audio track to this video is now lost, because these are images and they don't hold audio information. So now let's try it again and export it as a video file instead. Go back to File, Export, Render Video. Choose a new folder for your video to be saved in, and change Photoshop Image Sequence to Adobe Media Encoder. This will allow Photoshop to export a video file. In Format, there are a few options. H.264 will export an MP4 file, and QuickTime will export an MOV file. You'll see here that H.264 does not allow for alpha channels, but QuickTime does. Since I don't have any, I'll just use H.264. Make sure my size and frame rate are correct and hit Render. Now when I navigate to my video and open it, it plays with sound. Okay, one last note on audio. If you're starting off with a video that already has sound, Photoshop can help you edit that as well. Let's use the video we just created, since its sound is now locked into the video itself. Click Open and navigate to where we just saved it and click Open. You'll notice that there is no audio layer. That's because the video's audio is now part of the video layer itself. Now in the timeline window, click the arrow at the end of the video layer. Here you'll see you can change the video's speed and duration manually. If you click on the audio icon here, there will be the option to alter the audio's volume as well as add a fade in or fade out, the same way we did earlier on the separate audio track. Okay, that is the end of the Photoshop video editing tutorial. Now you can take what we've learned here, continue experimenting with all of the editing and effects options that Photoshop has to offer, and create your own unique video project. Bye for now, and thanks for watching.